Advocate Shamila Batohi's team have been advised to either write formally to the Nkabinde Inquiry, approach the Minister of Justice Mameluko Kubai, or take their request directly to President Cyril Ramaphosa as they push for the broader terms of reference in the inquiry into the fitness of South Gauteng Director of Public Prosecutions, Andrew Chauke, to hold office. The NPA has indicated its interest for an opportunity to be granted audience by the Nkabinde panel.
Alternatively, if we need not consider your request, the option is to start where the NPA started, by approaching the President. The terms of reference are clear. Matters of amendment fall within the space of the President, not necessarily us. But if we are to consider all the things that you are, or the allegation or averments in your request, it should be put in a proper application so that we can consider that.
Two senior advocates, Garth Hurley and Tembas Kosana, have been excused from the inquiry to prepare the necessary documentation, which includes a substantive submission. Meanwhile, Advocate Batohi continued her evidence, highlighting more cases that had raised eyebrows over Chauke's decisions.
Karima Brown, and she filed a complaint to me regarding intimidation, alleged intimidation. I attached a copy of the complaint to the letter to Advocate Chauke and asked him to respond to the allegations. The next matter was the case of State versus Brian Shlongwa. This was a matter that General Libia, who was the head of the Hawks at the time, when I took office in 2019, he raised this matter with me as a matter of serious concern, that the matter was in the Johannesburg jurisdiction and had been withdrawn by the DPP. And his concern was that the matter had been withdrawn and had not been re-enrolled. They had been given to understand that the matter will be re-enrolled. So as a result of this, I then requested Advocate Chauke's reasons for the delay in this matter, and that's in paragraph 4.1. And then the last matter was that of State versus Duduzane Zuma, which was also a matter which the DPP in Johannesburg, Advocate Chauke, declined to prosecute, but that matter, Advocate Abrams overturned that decision.
NPA head Advocate Shamila Batohi maintains that Chauke's conduct amounts to misconduct in the handling of these cases, including the withdrawal of the murder charge against Lieutenant General Richard Mdluli. The NPA has now drafted a memorandum seeking amendments and an extension of the terms of reference, which are expected to address more than just the single question of Chauke's fitness to hold office. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Nqobile Madlala in Pretoria.